Yes, good morning. Pakita sa guys. Nami free ride. Why plate free? Dagan sila gasolina.
Main building naman.
Ano lang ka kami.
Ang
Sino itong villa dong, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sila.
Sa mutag na yung pool.
Lagi. Kaya mga kids, manggod. Like,
Deluxe with room of premiere.
dako kailang property actually.
Abot naman ito, ma'am.
Uwi na.
But,
Mau ni drink kusina restaurant.
diri ang breakfast. Isa na ang restaurant niyo dong? Mara na siya?
Mara siya.
Restaurant? Okay. They're famous pool nga pang Olympic size. Olympic size ko no. Tanaw to kung Olympic size ba yun siya. Mga good. Ma-check na to kung unsa kadakal. Dako pa basta sa Dositane. Kaya Dositane ning claim po sila dako kay ilang pool. Dong dako pa ang Dositane. Pero dako pa ang Dositane.
But is it big?
Dagat. Pwede rin makaligo sa dagat, ma'am.
Later. Alligator. Wow, kanay sa dagat.
Dari ma'am, gym, spa.
Oh my god, I wanna go to gym.
You have no fats to burn. No use of the gym. Basketball court.
Yay! It's so big.
Yeah, it's so big. Asa dapat ang ilang mga garden villa?
Kini ma'am, Garden Bell.
Layo na siya sa beach.
Ang 307
Ang beach villa, ma'am. Mao sa siya, ma'am.
Ari front.
Nay pool, oh. Ang Garden Villa, ma'am, nasa di siya yung
Yeah, pool.
pool. Ang tulo ra karon 506.
Kaya actually mo man yung mga garden villa but gi-upgrade may
Beach.
beach
Sa
villa.
namin niya, ma'am.
307.
307.
So we are in KANDAYA Resort located in Daanbantayan, Cebu. It's a 3-hour drive away from the city. These are their garden villa. And on this side, their beach villas with pool. So now let's check the room. Let's have a tour inside.
So, hello, this is our room. This is the beach villa with pool. Come in.
Okay, let's come in. So you see, dako kayo ilang room.
My dad gonna go and put that book. No, there's a...
Yeah, with big mirrors. And of course, there's a tub in the sea. Nindot kayo. As in, let's check their sink. There's hand wash, moisturizers, and of course, a rain shower. Oh wow, they have, look at their shampoo. Peppermint shampoo, cilantro, and gram body wash. There's a door leading outside. It's locked. Let's open this one. Go here to the main door leading to, yeah, that's the beach area. White sand beach. Like here, this is the water. They don't use plastic. So, what can you say about the room? Anishka, what can you say about the room?
It's cool and it's my favorite resort.
Why is it your favorite now?
Because I like the ocean and sand and the pool.
What can you say about the resort?
The resort is very big and the room is also big. You have a pool that's so nice. It's in front of the beach. It's very nice.
So you like it here? Show me the pool. Come here. Yeah, this is our view. Look at that. It's so gorgeous.
Noise.
What noise? You like the view? Like what I said earlier, they don't use plastic bottles for their water, no? Like the mineral, they don't have that one because they're nature friendly. So instead, they use this one. Let's check the lightings. Yeah, this is their water. This is their water. It's reusable. It's very cool. Very nature friendly. Mother Earth will be happy with KANDAYA. And thank you, Kandaya, for the upgrade. Yay! Hello. Oh, so, bisan init kayo, nakaagwanta langoy. Di mo. You like it? Our room is fronting the beach. That's our room. And this is the white sand beach of Kandaya. So what can I say? It's really worth it. It's a very relaxing place, no? Nindot kaayo gyud. That is their pool area. Kanang makita nato diha mo na ilang pool area. Dinner is served. Buffalo chicken wings, stir fry veggies, pork. This is the view at night. Kahangin kay dira.
Rising up like a phoenix and tired of
The next day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. We are going for breakfast. What?
Not the mat.
What is that one? It's their gym.
Yeah, there's a ping pong there.
There's ping pong. How do you know?
Me and Vince go there. And there's a pool.
Yesterday.
There's not the pool, I mean the game, the pool.
Billiard. You mean billiard? This is the restaurant. It's called Cocina. Right beside the swimming pool. We are waiting for our
Breakfast.
breakfast. What are you having?
Toasted bread.
American breakfast with bacon and
Egg.
bacon.
Scrambled egg.
Yes.